Join me as I put this powerful 2,000 square feet air purifier to the test for pet owners, complete with washable filters. Can it really handle all that pet hair and dander? If you're a pet owner, you know how much joy they bring to your life. But let's face it, they also bring a whole lot of mess and allergens into your home. From pet dander to dust and odors, it can be tough to keep your air clean and fresh. I've been there too. My own furry friend loves to shed, and it's a constant battle to keep my home clean. The struggle is real, and it's not just about aesthetics. Allergens and pet dander can cause serious health issues for both pets and humans. I've seen friends deal with respiratory problems and constant sneezing fits because of poor air quality in their homes. It's heartbreaking, and it's something that can be prevented with the right tools. For many of us, the solution seems simple: get an air purifier. But do they really work? And are they worth the investment? I've tried a few in the past, but they've always seemed to fall short. That's why I'm excited to put this one to the test. This air purifier boasts a powerful filtration system designed specifically for pet owners. With its 2,000 square foot coverage, it's perfect for larger homes or open-plan living spaces. The filtration system is where this purifier really shines. It features a multi-stage system that captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, including pet dander, dust, and odors. One of the standout features for me is the washable filters. No more constantly replacing expensive filters, just rinse and reuse. It's eco-friendly and budget-friendly, which is a win-win in my book. The purifier itself is also sleek and modern, making it a great addition to any room. But how does it really perform? I've put it through its paces, and I'm impressed. From pet odors to dust and allergens, it's tackled everything I've thrown at it. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to maintain. Just rinse the filters, and it's good as new. I've also spoken to some fellow pet owners who've used this purifier, and the feedback has been amazing. They've seen significant improvements in their home environment, and it's made a real difference to their health and well-being. Seeing is believing, so I've set up a few demonstrations to show you just how well this purifier works. From capturing pet hair to eliminating odors, it's a game changer. And with its energy-efficient design, you can run it all day without breaking the bank. The results speak for themselves. This air purifier has been a revelation for me and many others. It's not just about removing allergens and odors, it's about creating a healthier home environment for you and your pets. All in all, this air purifier has been a revelation. It's powerful, efficient, and easy to use, exactly what pet owners need to tackle air quality issues. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more reviews, and let us know in the comments your experiences with air purifiers. Air purifiers for home large room 2000 ft² with washable filters. MOOKA H13 HEPA filter pet air purifier for bedroom with fragrance. Air cleaner for smoke dust pollen pets hair odor. KJ190L. Brand MOOKA. Product dimensions 6.1 x 12.2 inches wide by 15.75 inches high. Floor area 2,000 square feet. Specification met ETL FCC CARB DOE certified. Higher air intake and larger coverage for pet lovers. This air purifier for home pets is designed with a larger front air inlet and wider dual-side air inlet. Compared to the single air inlet design, it can trap airborne pet hairs and odors more easily. This air purifier for large room can clean up to 2,000 ft² per hour. Washable filter. Equipped with a high-efficiency 3-stage filtration system, the air cleaner for pets can effectively filter airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, such as pollen, dust, and pet dander. Cleaning the pre-filter with water or a vacuum cleaner will help extend the life of the H13 HEPA filter. More activated carbon pellets help absorb a bad odor such as pet odors, fumes and VOCs. 4-timer and 4-fan speed. The room air purifier has 4 adjustable fan speeds. You can choose the fan speed according to the air quality. The higher the wind speed, the faster the purification speed. You can also turn on the timer when you sleep or go out, which are 2/4/6/8 of an hour. Quiet 20 dB sleep mode for light sleepers, worried about your rest being interrupted. Choose our quiet air purifier for bedroom. Noise as low as 20 decibels in sleep mode. Low noise, low speed and no lights, perfect for a good night's sleep. Even a light sleeper baby or pet can enjoy the fresh and clean air on a quiet night. Essential oil diffuser and child lock. Add essential oil to the aromatherapy pad on top of the pet air purifiers for home pee smell to give a room a pleasant scent. When you use it for the first time, please moisten the cotton pad with more essential oil. Run it with the maximum wind speed for a period of time to let the fragrance gradually spreads to the entire room with the airflow. The thoughtful child lock design can prevent your baby and fur friends from being injured and accidental touching. Filter replacement reminder. This air purifier with washable filter has a filter change reminder function. When the filter reaches the end of its service life, the filter indicator lights up to remind you to replace the filter. You can also clean the pre-filter to extend its service life. After installing the filter, press and hold the filter button for 3 seconds until you hear a beep to reset the filter reminder. Purchase MOOKA official replacement filter on Amazon to keep the optimal purification effect. Authoritative certification for long use and safety, CARB, DOE and FCC certified. No ozone release, no UV light, safe for you and your family. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to tell us. 60-day no reason return, lifetime support. Note, please remove the protective plastic bagasse from the filter before use. MOOKA KJ190L HEPA Air Purifier for home pets is preferred for its powerful ability to improve indoor air quality, eliminate odors, capture hair, and operate efficiently and sustainably. Adopts wider air intake, larger air outlet and high output motor, refreshes the air 1 time per hour in rooms as large as 2000 ft² cover. The MOOKA KJ190L Air Purifier is a powerful and efficient solution designed for large rooms up to 2000 ft², making it ideal for pet owners and families. It features a wider front and dual-side air intake, allowing it to trap pet hair, odors, and airborne particles more effectively than single inlet models. Its high-efficiency 3-stage filtration system, including a washable pre-filter and H13 HEPA filter, captures particles as small as 0.3 microns, such as pollen, dust, and dander, while the activated carbon layer absorbs odors, fumes, and VOCs. The unit offers 4 fan speeds and timer settings, and operates as quietly as 20 decibels in sleep mode, perfect for light sleepers, babies, or pets. It also doubles as an essential oil diffuser with a top-mounted aroma pad and includes a child lock for safety. A filter replacement indicator ensures optimal performance, and the washable pre-filter helps extend filter life. Certified by CARB, DOE, and FCC, the MOOKA KJ190L is ozone-free and safe for continuous use. With a sleek design and strong airflow, it refreshes the air in a large room once every hour, improving indoor air quality with both power and convenience.